What's up, guys? Today I have something special. This is gonna be the gnarliest RZR I've ever driven for sure. So behind me, I got the Weistec Pro R, and this thing has 400 horsepower running on pump gas, which is kind of scary. That's pretty fast for a stock one has 215 or 225. This has 400 horsepower, so I'm pretty excited. They say it's not a dyno queen. You know, this thing's meant to be able to drive. It's 14 PSI of boost. You can run it on Pemex down in Mexico, and it's meant to be drivable. A lot of these big turbo cars that you see at like the sand drags and stuff, I mean, the thing wants to kill you because it's like this gnarly power band. These guys said they got it figured out, so I'm gonna go drive it. I'm pretty excited because it looks sick and it sounds pretty mean too, so let's get in it. Holy cow, that thing is nuts. That was so much fun. It's like so fast and it's like scary, but it's like not out of control. Like it's just enough. Like I've driven some other cars, and when you have the big horsepower, it's just like this thing wants to kill you because it like spikes the turbo boost. Like it's so much smooth power. Like it's really drivable. Like dude, that was fun. Like you're just giggling the whole time because you just punch it and you're doing 85. Like it's just, and that was fun. Actually, I'm always like, I don't need a turbo on my Pro R. It's so fast already, but I need a turbo on my Pro R. That's fun. That is that's sick. I want one now. I'm always like, it just works so good. Like when you wanted the power, it was there, but it wasn't like too much like that. You came into a corner and you went to get on it and it was like, woo, woo, like it. Yeah, that, first impression, all-time high. stupid, and it sounds so sick. so sick. Like I said, dude, that was probably one of the most fun, that's for sure the most fun I've had in a RZR. That was so sick. So this thing, it's 400 horsepower, it's pump gas, but what's so cool about it is like literally the power band is so linear, it's so easy to drive. Like it felt like you're driving a factory setup. Like it didn't feel like it wanted to kill you, but it was still so fast that it was just like, what the heck? Yeah, like I said before, 14 pounds of boost. I mean, let's look at this turbo. It's super easy. It's like a super plug and play. You don't have to completely, like, you could just add this to your car with a couple simple things. And it's pump gas. Like if you're running in Mexico or Glamis, and you know, you can literally, you don't have to go spend $12 a gallon on race fuel. You can see they got that. And they actually have a cast manifold and whatnot. It is, yeah, they really they thought it all out. A lot of other companies they're not doing the manifolds right, and then they crack. And trust me, with another company I worked with years ago, not on player stuff, we were blowing these turbos like they were falling off because we didn't have a cast. But yeah, no, it sounds good. I mean, I know I sound like a salesman right now, but I swear, like, it's just sick. Like, I was just hyped. Like, Ben can contest. He was in there with me, and we both just looked at each other and just giggled. Like, dude, this thing is so sick. Like, thing's dope. I wanted to just pull up next to, like, everyone and just be like, like, yeah, honestly, I felt like I could just drive like an animal because it was sick. But yeah, that's kind of it. So now I'm questioning whether I want a turbo in my Pro R or not. But if you're looking to go fast and do it like reliable and still like have a drivable car, I think this is it. But sick. The boys at Weistec are next level. I recommend checking it out. I feel like a salesman, but dude, it was just such a good time. I was like, dude, my brain's been turning. I'm like, how can I put one of these? But like for pre-running Baja, I'm like, dude, then I'll be going too fast, start crashing it or something. I'll think I'm in my trophy truck. But that's it. That's a wrap. Be sure to subscribe, and then if you want to check it out, we'll put a link for the Weistec turbo, because this is just their stage 2. They have a stage 1, a little bit less, and then I believe they're gonna go to stage 4 or 5, which that'll be on like race gas, just making like probably like 700 horsepower or something, which is just like, this is a Polaris turbo. I mean, this is a Polaris RZR, dude. Like chill. 400 horse. The 215 is plenty for me, but this 400 I could definitely get used to. So that's a wrap.
Contacted, I attract clientele. My mic check is life or death, breathing a sniper's breath. I exhale the yellow smoke, a Buddha through righteous steps, deep like the shining, sparkle like a diamond.